Hey folks, Mac T, and we're going to put in a couple of 58 millimeter seals on the rear differential unit, and Mercy Girl is going to show us how to do it, along with Jeff. It's a joint effort, team effort. Team Herbie, go! Right, Team Herbie? Team Herbie! And we're going to use a seal kit, and Mercy Girl is going to go ahead and work with Jeff to get these seals in this RDU.
Okay, this surface is already clean. It's ready to go in. So we have to hammer that in. Now, let's see. It's going to have to go. Here's all I took out. Right. You know though, Bill, these are not flush on this side. Yeah, that's going to be a little trickier. We can't use these.
Why not?
Well, because you have to pound over the rubber. You want to pound them.
Oh.
It works good for seals that are flush.
You need a ring. You need a ring.
Let me look through my. I have a bunch of cups.
You need a ring, a cup.
A press.
Cup for it.
One that's the right size.
Can't we just let Mercy Girl just beat it with a hammer?
She could. I got a dead blow there. That should be fun to use. She knows the.
All right. Mercy Girl's gonna wail on this thing.
No, she's just gonna tap.
Okay.
Small taps. Small controlled taps.
And Jeff's gonna hold it with his hands. That's really brave,
I
Jeff.
don't have a thing here, so she'll have to get the back of
Can
my
you
hand.
put your cap on there? No, from your other kit.
Joe.
Oh.
I was not letting it hit.
Oh, okay. I was like, you're brave. I wouldn't trust her.
Oh. Now, get it positioned. Down your on your knees, maybe. Can you down your knees? Am I hearing creaking?
Got to hit it straight on.
A little harder. A little harder. Okay. Now, we talked about this. I'm going to start hitting a little bit this way. It's a little high here. Okay, go. Just rapid taps.
There she goes.
Let's take a look at it.
Tappy tap. Are we getting it there?
Okay, see it's high here now. So now, I need you to get more on this side. Wait, I'll tell you that. Okay.
Hit it hard. There you go.
This way. Yeah. You're so high here. Yeah, so you're almost down here. You have to snap it pretty good. You got to get this side down. So I
Why don't you come from over here, Mercedes? From this side and hit it. I think that'll probably serve you better.
Here.
There you go.
Gotta get this side down. Okay, let's hold off. Let's go up to a 3-pounder.
The small hammer don't work. Get a bigger hammer.
Down.
Hit it flat.
Try more on this side. I'll try and pull it back. Yeah. Try it. More straight down. I'll just try and control it a little bit. If I lift the cup, then you'll shoot that side. Keep going. Doing fine. Give it a good whack. Keep going. Feel it again. Whoa, let's just scope it out. Oh.
Is it in?
This is in. Just gotta work a little bit more over here. You got it. I'd say now just hit it straight down.
Hit it straight down and give it a good whack. Let the hammer do the work.
Okay. Whoa.
I don't think it's fully in.
It's not all the way in over here.
Yep. I got a little more here. Not that bad here though. I say you got to focus around this area right here.
Good hard hits. Probably just hit
Accurate hits. Good, hard, accurate.
straight down.
Like
No, straight down on it.
Okay, well, let's try that. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at it now. You are really close. I think, darn. You guys hear a hammer? I gotta pretend I helped. Done.
Look at that.
If you run your nail around it, it should be all the same.
Yep. All good.
Good job, Mercedes.
Mercedes, congratulations. You just hammered in your first seal. And guess what? You're not done yet. You got one more to do.
Yep.
All right, we're going to put in the next seal. Got it all cleaned up. And then we're going to go ahead and put the cover on it eventually here. Not fill it, but we're going to put the RTV on it and then torque the bolts down and have it ready to go. Ready to fill when we get it actually put together.
Just a light coat.
A little light coat of oil on the seal before we pound it in. And Mercy Girl, what kind of hammer you got? What do they call that?
Deadbolt.
Louder.
And you're going to deadbolt the heck out of that thing, aren't you?
Yes.
And you're going to not hit Jeff's hand?
She promised.
You promised. You promised. All right, D-Day. You did one seal, so the second one should be easier, right? Because you know you can hit harder. Try to hit
Seal
straight.
harder. Not my hand. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh.
She stepped on the toilet or paper roll.
Oh no, tire tracks.
Hey, that paper is dangerous.
Oh, sorry.
I'm fine.
You didn't have your hard hat on either. Oh, it's just going to be all over
No, I just fall.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Now we know where the falling part goes for Loretta, right? Like mother, like daughter.
Ah. Okay.
Straight on, baby girl.
Straight.
Straight
Go
on.
right for the center. Not yet.
Good and hard. Let that hammer do the work.
Can I take a couple hits? I mean, it's like he's probably seated. I'll just. you think, Mercedes?
Can you run your fingernail through there, Mercedes?
So what you want to do is run your fingernail around it, and it should feel the same all the way.
You got a glove on. You can't run your fingernail through that.
I'll let your dad be the final judge.
Yep. It is sealed.
That was a perfect seal installation.
There you go.
To be honest.
So, what was your experience pounding in seals for your rear differential unit?
It was interesting.
Did you enjoy it? Take out some frustrations?
Yes.
All right. So, now we're ready to work on it. We got the cover ready too, right? Let's show us the cover. And we have the cover painted and ready to go. So we can put the cover on the back of that, and then we'll be done. We'll let it dry, and then we'll get the torque specs, and then we'll put the bolts in, and we will have the RDU ready to go.
Look how clean the oil looks.
Yeah. That is clean.
But beautiful wear. Beautiful wear.
But we got to clean up this little nick from me, because I went a little crazy on that. So we're going to emery that down a little bit and put a little RTV in that hole, and then put the seal in.
That'll be fine.
There you go.
Get it with brake clean.
Some brake clean on her, and then we're going to go ahead and RTV it, and we're going to put it on this RDU. Contact tight, and then let it set, and then we'll torque spec this thing. And then we have the cover on. That cover looks shiny. Nice and clean. Look at that back. Woo! This thing's ready to go. What it looked like before. Yeah, not the prettiest, but we'll wipe her down once we get her squeezed in there a bit. I think we're good to go. Getting ready to put that rear differential cover on. We're just making a gentle tightening on it. Contact, essentially.
Yeah, it's squished not all around yet, almost. There.
Squeezing out. We can take a sharp edge and
I think we got her, don't we? Here.
yeah, we can take a sharp edge and peel that off of there if we want later on. Now we just got to let it set for an hour, then torque it down to 20 foot-pounds.
Yep. You're on.
20. I guess I'll just start at the top. Whoops, wrong way. Right way. And I got it all over my hands already. I get it all over this wrench. This fine snap-on wrench. $20 foot-pounds, is that it?
That is it.
Looks like it went a little crazy on that one, huh? Did I do that one? Yeah. How about this one? Nope. This is the last one, I think. There we go. Got them all. I got lots of stuff on my hands.
Thank you for watching MacT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.